Jobs and Ops is a place for members to find and share paid work and professional development opportunities. You can search over 250 current Jobs and Ops listings, bookmark ones that interest you, and sign up for e-alerts so you don't miss the latest posts. Plus, you can add listings of opportunities you are hosting so other members can apply. To view or post jobs and opportunities, log in and go to Jobs and Ops. Listings appear in date order. The most recent listings will appear at the top. Deadlines are highlighted in the red box to the left of the listing. Click on the title of an opportunity that interests you to view full details. To narrow your search, select a category from the menu. Or if there's a specific opportunity you are looking for, use the search field. Remember to click Explore section from the drop-down menu to limit your search to the Jobs and Ops section. To bookmark an opportunity, add it to a collection by clicking the star icon. See the Using Bookmarks and Collections guide for more on how to organize content from across the AN site in this way. Jobs and Ops e-alerts notify you when new opportunities are posted. Choose the frequency that suits you and click Sign Me Up. We'll email you to confirm your selection. You'll need to activate your sign-up by clicking the link. You can edit your selection at any time. Go to My Account and click on e-alerts to view or amend your sign-up to Jobs and Ops e-alerts. To post an opportunity, click the Post a Job or Op button. What is your job or opportunity? Fill in the title and a short description. Who can apply? Select the experience required that best suits your opportunity and click the box if BA students can apply. Add a short description of the candidate you're looking for. If the opportunity pays a fee, check the box that best describes it. Fill in more details in the field below. Is there a charge to apply? Check the box and fill in further details below. Setting a location will help others find your Jobs and Ops listing using search. Select a country, and for UK opportunities, select a region from the drop-down menus. Add the town or city where the opportunity will take place. Complete details of the dates and times when you expect this opportunity to take place, and add a full description of the job or opportunity. Employer or host is the organisation or individual offering the opportunity. Fill in how to apply and select an application deadline. Include a contact email and website URL where applicants can find more information. Save your Jobs and Ops listing. You can save as draft and publish later, or click Create to make your opportunity listing live. Other AN members can comment on your Jobs and Ops listing. Share it with them on social media, but remember, only AN members can access the full listing. You'll receive alerts to your AN messages when others make a suggestion. And don't forget to appreciate and make suggestions on other Jobs and Ops listings too. You can access your Jobs and Ops, blogs, reviews and more under the My Stuff tab. And your Jobs and Ops listing will be visible for other members to see at an.co.uk/jobs. To view or post on Jobs and Ops, you'll need a membership of AN, part of a package of member tools and benefits.